Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage app permissions on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to manage any app permissions, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to keep a long press on the app and just like this and then select info icon here and you'll get an interface of this time it will open your settings. But if you won't get it here, you just have to open your settings and then select apps. In apps, just look for all apps and then you just have to select any app its permission you want to manage. As I'm going to manage this one, so just tap on it and here look for permissions. In permissions, you'll easily get the permission allowed and not allowed from the app. You can easily allow and permission. As I'm going to select microphone, just tap on it and here you can easily don't allow or allow the app to access your microphone. So that's how you can easily manage permissions of every app on your Vivo X200 FE or Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.